In this tutorial, we're going to learn about utilizing conditional statements in programming. Conditional statements refer to an if-then way of creating programs. This means that if something meets a certain condition that I set, then something else is going to happen. Let's look at that code we built for the grabber robot again. When run is tapped, the sequence will start. It's going to rotate that servo ID 1 to negative 45 degrees. It's going to wait there for 2,000 milliseconds, and then it's going to rotate back to its starting point of 0 degrees. But what if we want to say that the grabber is going to move again if something else happens? This is where we can interact with our code by adding a conditional statement. Go to the control drawer and drag the if-then block around your entire sequence. Notice there's a blank space after if. This is where we're going to add our condition. From the events drawer, go ahead and drag over mobile tablet tilt left. Now let's read our code. It says, when run is tapped, the sequence is going to run if the device is tilted to the left. However, here's the catch. If we don't tilt the device, nothing will happen, the sequence will run and stop. To continue to run your sequence, let's add the repeat until block around your entire sequence. From the events drawer, let's add the low power block. When run is tapped, it's going to repeat this sequence continually until the device has low power. If during that time I tilt my device to the left, it's going to run through this sequence and move my grabber robot. We can now really interact with our robot through the way that we structured our code. That's a quick intro into utilizing conditional statements in programming.